If you want to find the best deal for your next all-inclusive resort vacation, I've learned over a few years that it involves a mix of researching, staying flexible, and making smart plans. In that case, I will share my top tricks to help you find affordable all-inclusive accommodation in an easy way. First, if you haven't decided the resort yet, consider this. Usually, we think bigger means more expensive, but with resorts, that's not true. Bigger resorts with lots of rooms can offer better prices because they have more guests. Some people worry that bigger resorts might mean lower quality, but that's not always the case. Some big all-inclusive resorts with over 1,000 rooms give you good quality and value for the money. They can keep their prices low because they have many guests, so don't ignore the big resorts because some of them are excellent. Now, generally, the earlier you book, the better the deals you can find. So, when is the right time to book your vacation? In my experience, there's a sweet spot for getting the best deal. When it comes to all-inclusive resorts, the best time is about 4 to 6 months in advance. This way you get good prices and you won't have to wait too long for your vacation. So, if you're thinking about a trip in September or October, I'd recommend planning to book in spring around April or May for the best overall deal. Keep an eye out for early booking promotions, which are often offered months in advance. I'll show you this example to find the cheapest option. If you go into Google and you type the resort that you choose, in this case I'm going to use the new Royalton Splash Rivera Cancun, which is in Mexico, a popular resort right now. Depends where you live, you will see some comparison prices from different websites, but the first website you have to check is the official one, which in this case is the Royalton Splash Resort. All these resorts' websites normally show you the average price in their main page, but the trick here is to simulate a booking around the dates you are looking for. So I'm in October right now and I want to see prices for March-April. It is important to be flexible in travel dates if you're looking for cheap prices. Also, prices tend to be lower during off-peak times. Consider traveling during the shoulder season or midweek when resorts are less crowded and prices are reduced. For this example, on those days, the cheapest room has an average night price of $490, which include all the taxes, all the meals, and even free airport transfers. But the real trick here, as I said before, if you are flexible with your travel days, you can go back to the travel day calendar and this will show you the average price daily around those days. You can see it is much cheaper to travel in April. You can save about $100 per night if you just change your dates. You can see now you can book this same room at $386 per night. Now, you might find also better deals by choosing the right location. Jamaica, the Dominican Republic and Mexico have lots of big all-inclusive resorts because they are really popular vacation spots. Even though they might not be super exclusive, you can still find great deals and lower prices for your stay. So if you're looking for the cheapest all-inclusive resort, these countries are the best to compare prices. They usually have some kind of special offer or deal going on. In this case, you might use price comparison websites to recheck prices on your travel days. In this example, I'm going to use the Kayak website. This website checks prices from various places all in one spot. It shows you where you can find the cheapest options. Usually, you'll have to click to another website to finish booking. If we check for the Royalton Splash Rivera Cancun, we can see different prices, and in here we will see the average price per night, which in this case is $495. Not much cheaper than the official Royalton website. It might not be the case 4 other resorts. Maybe you will find a better price on these comparison websites. It is important to always check all the options if you want to find the cheapest room. And don't forget to check reviews and ratings. You should take a look at what people write about the resorts and how they rate them. This is like getting advice from people who have been there. Look for places that get good comments and ratings. These are like little signs saying, this is a great place to go and it's not too expensive. But be careful, don't choose a place just because it's cheap. You want a mix of good price and good quality. There are so many options to choose from, so if you want to see my list of the cheapest all-inclusive resorts, you can't miss this video right here. My name is Rod, thanks for watching.